Hey guys, Alan Frank Roof, and this is Dalton over here at SCO Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you guys can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You guys are probably sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, absolutely nothing. I just like helping bring value to business owners, okay? Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy actually running their businesses to learn how the internet can actually benefit them and their company. And the only hesitation that they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I've found by giving people this free easy attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business, which ultimately helps them grow their business. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, please shoot me back a message and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is citations. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web, such as Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Facebook, and various websites like that throughout the internet. So you notice down here, this is a Google Map pack, and this would be considered a citation. And to get right here, you would have to go and get more citations than the competitors like Crosby Roofing or Central Georgia Roof Repairs. You would actually want to get more citations than them, and then you would want to keep adding citations. So we usually like to get about 200 to 300 citations to beat out the competition and dominate them by a landslide, because we don't want to just beat them, we want to dominate them. Okay, so that's definitely one way of utilizing your online presence is citations, and getting right here in this Google Map pack is definitely a big way, a huge way to increase your revenue through your online presence. Okay, so you'll notice right here, Roofing Companies Macon, Georgia, when we scroll down here, you guys don't have a website, so you're not showing up on this front page, and this is really where you want to be to maximize the traffic and your revenue per month, of course. So we're going to hop over here and we're going to look at your competitor's website. This is chrismooreroofing.com, and you'll notice that he's got quite a bit of content. So the second thing I want to go over is content. And content is anything that you see on this home page, including the pictures and the alt text behind the pictures, what the picture's saved as, and the description of the pictures is also included as content. So anything highlighted on this front page would be considered content. And their front page moves kind of slow, so you can tell it's not optimized very well because it is kind of sluggish. So you definitely we want to make sure your website is very user friendly, not sluggish, and you want to make sure you have quite a bit of content. So the way to be optimized in Google's eyes is you want about 1,500 to 2,000 words on that home page, and then you want about 500 to 750 words on those service pages. That way you can riddle in some keywords, key terms, and key phrases in your content to help you get found when a searcher's on Google searching for your service. Okay, so we're going to hop over into another competitor of yours, crosbyroofing.com, and you'll notice that they've got quite a bit of content on their front page. So this is definitely helping them rank first. Okay, so that's content. And the third thing that I want to go over is backlinks. So we're going to hop over into your competitors again in a site that I call Ahrefs. It costs me $100 a month, and it lets me analyze the data and what's going on with the website and what they're doing. So you'll notice that Chris Moore Roofing right here has 27 referring domains and 113 backlinks. That means there's 27 websites out there on the internet that have a backlink to their website 113 times, okay? In return for organic keywords, 111 organic keywords, which is giving them an organic traffic of 77 people per month. So you can definitely already see the value there of not utilizing a fully optimized website and being on that front page of Google. Because imagine 77 customers per month. Even 15% of that would still be pretty good. Okay, so we're going to go over to Crosby Roofing in Ahrefs, and you'll notice there's a huge difference here. They have 85 referring domains and 441 backlinks. In return, they're getting searched for 765 keywords, which is giving them an organic traffic of 421 people per month. So you can definitely see the value that you're missing out on there by not utilizing a fully optimized website. And the way that we do it is we actually come in and we do intensive research to go and see what keywords the competition is ranking for, and we want to come in and we want to get those keywords, and then we want to go and do more research to add better keywords and keep adding keywords so we can dominate the competition in that aspect as well. So we would just come through here and we would get the best keywords out of here. So for example, Gutters, Macon, Georgia has a search volume of 40 per month. So there's 40 people per month searching for gutters, Macon, Georgia, with a keyword difficulty of 1. So meaning it's not very hard to rank for at all. Roofers, Warner Robins, Georgia, 30 per month. Gutter contractors, 800 per month. Roofer, Macon, Georgia, 40 per month. Metal roofing, Augusta, Georgia, 100 people per month. 0 keyword difficulty. So you can definitely see the value that you can bring your business by utilizing those keywords and that fully optimized content. So now we're going to hop over into Chris Moore Roofing, and then we're going to take a look at their keywords. And again, we would just do the same thing. We would do research on all the competition. We would go through and we would pluck out the best keywords possible to implement those in the content to outrank the competition and beat them out in that aspect, as I mentioned before. And we also go back and we'll dive into their backlinks to their referring domains, and this will show us every backlink that they have coming to their website. And what we'll do is we go doing some more intensive research on their backlinks, and we get the quality backlinks. We get the best backlinks that they have. We go and see how they got the backlink. We go to whichever website, like for example, we go to this website and we figure out how they got their link listed on this website, and we go about doing the same thing, and then we want to go add more links and better quality links to give us more authority in Google's eyes. So you can definitely see the value that having a fully optimized website and being on that front page of Google can bring you. Now I will say, if when you go to build your website, it does take about 30 to 90 days to get it ranking and get it on that front page. But once you get it there, it's very easy to maintain and keep it up there. And that's how you ultimately would increase the revenue and grow your business through online methods. Okay, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and let me give you this information. I just wanted to go over the link juice one more time. It is a really important aspect that, and the backlinks, and we call it link juice. And you can see that when we search for roofing companies Macon, Georgia, you're not on the list because you do not have a website. So this link juice simply put works like this: site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a roofing site linking to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you guys, because hey, you don't sling pizzas for a living. Alright, so the 3 things we went over are citations. You want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. Content, your front page needs at least 1,500 words to 2,000 words of content to be fully optimized in Google's eyes. And then as well as the service pages, you want about 500 to 750 words of content on those. And then link juice, the backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority, and if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, either you can go with the information I provided you and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, you can save yourself the time and you can shoot me a text or give me a call at 478-365-8757. Once again, my name is Dalton and my number is 478-365-8757. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.